Hey everyone, how are you all doing? This is Fascinating and Curious Facts speaking, and you can come along because today we're talking to those who want to upgrade their health and boost their fitness. Are you looking to lose weight quickly, but without sacrificing your health? Then pay attention because this video is for you. I've prepared a foolproof guide with 10 powerful techniques for you to rock your weight loss mission. No stress, no starving, no suffering. The point here is to have real results with health and energy, so you can achieve the shape of your dreams and feel amazing in your body. And believe me, these tips are golden, based on scientific studies and approved by the best specialists. They will help you boost your metabolism, kick those cravings to the curb, and burn that stubborn fat. So, like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a thing, and come with me on this epic journey towards the body you've always wanted. Stick around and let's go. My friends, the first technique is so simple, you won't believe it. Water. That's right, drinking water is fundamental to losing weight in a healthy way, and we're going to show you why. It may seem silly, but water is magic. It's like a turbocharger for your metabolism, speeding up everything and making your body work like a calorie-burning machine. And it doesn't stop there. You know when you get that hunger pang out of nowhere, many times it's your body tricking you, asking for water. Drinking water before meals, like 30 minutes before digging in, makes you feel fuller, you know? That way, you eat less and kiss those cravings goodbye. Studies show that drinking 500 milliliters of water before meals can increase weight loss by up to 44%. Is it a liquid miracle or what? Plus, water is a natural detox, flushing out toxins from your body and leaving you with more energy. So, you know what to do, right? Always have a water bottle on hand. Take it everywhere with you, to work, to the gym, when you're out and about, even on the couch. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and feel the difference in your body. Let's go to tip number 2, and the golden advice here is protein, my friends. Lots of protein. If you want fast and long-lasting results, you need to make proteins the star of your plate. They are the darlings of those who want to lose weight healthily, and I'll tell you why. Protein is like that friend who gives you that boost when you need it most. It keeps you full for much longer, you know? So you feel satisfied eating less without being hungry and without thinking about food all the time. Goodbye binge eating, and there's more. Protein is the secret to maintaining lean mass while you dry out the fat. This means that you will achieve that defined, toned body without that flabby feeling. And don't forget, a faster metabolism equals burning tons of calories. So, let's include it in the menu. Chicken, fish, lean meat, eggs, legumes. The options are endless and delicious. With protein in charge, you'll have energy to spare to face the day and rock your workout. And we've reached the third commandment for losing weight healthily, everyone. Get ready to kick those sugars and refined carbs to the curb. That's right, those sweets, sodas, white breads. You have to be aware, my dears. These foods are like fat ninjas, sneaking into your life, and when you least expect it, boom! There they are, settled in your belly. But hey, no need to panic. We'll teach you how to fight these villains. The solution is to embrace whole carbs, full of fiber, like oats, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and of course fruits. Fiber, my friends, is like the personal trainer of your gut, helping with digestion and keeping you feeling full for longer. By swapping refined carbs for whole grains, you'll see the difference in your body and energy levels. It's like swapping out a worn-out tire for a brand new one. Ready for the next tip? Hey there, speed eaters. This tip is for you. Pay attention to the fourth step to rock your weight loss journey. Slow down when you eat. As the wise saying goes, haste makes waste, and that goes for a flat belly too. Chewing well, everyone, is the key to success. When you turn your food into mush in your mouth, your brain gets the message and sends the signal that you're full. Then you eat less and feel more satisfied. Remember the saying, haste makes waste? Well, it applies to eating too. Eating calmly helps you be more aware of what you're eating and appreciate the taste of your food better. So, at your next meal, try putting your fork down between bites, chewing your food well, and paying attention to each flavor. Your body will thank you. We've reached the fifth step to boost your weight loss journey, and today's special guest is intermittent fasting. Woohoo! This technique has become a favorite of science and has helped many people lose weight in a healthy and efficient way. But be careful, it's not just about closing your mouth for hours on end. Intermittent fasting is like a strategic game, alternating periods of fasting and eating. It's like a workout for your metabolism, which will be working at full speed. One of the most famous methods is 16 by 8, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour window to eat. It's like you're giving your digestive system a well-deserved rest and still accelerating fat burning. But before you go crazy, consult a doctor or nutritionist to find out which method is right for you. Remember, each body is unique and needs professional monitoring. Hey there everyone, we've reached number 6 on our powerful list for losing weight healthily and boosting your energy. Get ready, because now it's time to get your body moving. A lot of people tremble just thinking about exercise, right? But hold on, you don't have to become a marathon runner overnight. The important thing is to find an activity you really enjoy. Anything goes. Walking in the park, dancing until you drop with your friends, cycling, swimming, playing ball with your buddies. The point is to have fun while burning calories, increasing your energy, and upgrading your health. And check this out. Besides burning off the extra fat, moving around helps send stress packing and even improves your sleep quality. In other words, it's a knockout punch to laziness and excess weight. So let's get off the couch and find a physical activity that's just right for you. Your health will thank you, and so will your body. Hey there, my sleep warriors. We've reached tip number 7 in our quest to lose weight quickly and healthily. And listen up, because this one is all about recharging your batteries. We're talking about beauty sleep, deep sleep, well-deserved rest. That's right, folks. Sleeping well is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And when it comes to weight loss, well, sleeping right becomes a ground rule. You know why? Because at night, while we turn off our conscious mode, our body works hard to repair muscles, regulate hormones, and guess what? Burn fat. But if you live in night owl mode, sleeping less than you should, your hunger and satiety hormones go crazier than a roller coaster. It's ghrelin asking for food non-stop and leptin unable to let you know you've had enough. Result: you end up eating more than you need and the scale complains. So from now on, no more all-nighters. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid caffeine and electronics at night, and guarantee your 7 to 9 hours of sleep a night. Remember, quality sleep means healthy weight loss and a body full of energy. Hey everyone, we've reached tip number 8 on our foolproof list to kiss those extra pounds goodbye. And today's keyword is moderation. That's right everyone. There's no point in stuffing yourself with salad at lunch if you're going to overdo it on pizza at night. The secret is to control your portions, even with healthy foods. Remember, even too much water can drown you. So, from today onwards, let's use our smarts when serving our plates. A clever tip is to use smaller plates. This way, you put less food and trick your brain into thinking there's plenty of food there. Another surefire tactic is to measure your portions. No more eating straight from the package. Use cups, measuring spoons, or kitchen scales to make sure you're eating the right amount for your goal. Remember, discipline and attention while eating make all the difference in the final result. Hey everyone, we've reached tip number 9, and this one is about taking care of ourselves inside and out, managing stress. That's right folks, because it's no use just watching what you eat and working out if your mind is racing. You know that moment when you're tense, anxious, and it seems like the refrigerator is calling your name. Well, stress releases a hormone called cortisol, which is like that friend who encourages you to eat junk food non-stop. And the worst part is that cortisol loves to store fat, especially in the belly. We can't have that, right? But don't worry, I have the solution. We need to fight stress head-on, looking for activities that bring peace, tranquility, and that good feeling of accomplishment. Anything goes. Meditation, yoga, a nice warm bath, listening to music, reading a book, playing with the dog, meeting up with friends. The important thing is to find what works for you. Remember, healthy body, healthy mind. When we're at peace with ourselves, everything flows better, including our fight against the scale. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's be happy. Because life is already too hectic for us to still have to deal with stress, right? Let's move on to the next tip. Hey there, my health warriors. We've arrived at the 10th and final foolproof technique, but certainly not the least important, tracking your progress. That's right, everyone. We need to keep a log of our transformation. And how do we do this? Easy. Take pictures, write down your weight, your measurements, the clothes you used to wear that are now too big. Anything goes so we can have a clear idea of our progress. And don't be shy. Be proud of every accomplishment, every pound lost, every goal reached. But be careful. Don't get obsessed with the scale, okay? The important thing is that we feel good, healthy, and energetic. The number on the scale is just a detail. Focus on changing your habits, eating healthy, exercising, and most importantly, your mental health. And you know what the best part of tracking progress is? It's looking back and seeing how far we've come. That gives us the energy to keep going strong in the fight against the scale. So let's record everything and celebrate every victory. After all, you deserve it. Hey everyone, we've reached the end of another video here on Fascinating Facts, and this time we unlock the secrets to losing weight quickly and healthily. Now that you know the 10 surefire techniques, it's time to put them into practice, right? Remember, the important thing is to have focus, discipline, and above all, respect for your body. No crazy diets or miracle solutions. The secret is consistency with new habits and the pursuit of a lighter, healthier, and happier life. So, did you enjoy the tips? You know what to do, right? Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. And don't forget to share this video with friends who also want to embrace a healthier life. Thanks for watching, everyone. A kiss from Uncle Mayon, and see you next time.